This is my £250 Fiesta project, and today is finally the day I get this thing MOT'd and hopefully back on the road. Guys, today is the day. It's MOT time. Let's see if it passes. So, the results are in, and I have a bit of paper here. I would go back outside and walk around the car and do all that sort of stuff, but right now it's stupidly hot here in the UK, and it'd be like lying on my driveway would literally be like lying on a frying pan. I don't want to be a fried egg today, thank you. So, results. Did it pass or not? It did. It did. It passed its MOT. Thank God. It passed. Everything's fine. Everything's good. Just one slight issue, which I did bring up in previous videos before, which is the wheels. As you've seen in previous videos, the wheels on this were chipped, damaged, and all sorts of broken. Well, in the MOT, it brought up that one of them were actually slightly buckled, and so it's brought up a minor. Doesn't need to be fixed straight away, but it's something that needs to be taken care of within the next year, which is what I plan to do anyway. No big deal, but it just means I have a reason to do it now. So the wheel's bad. It says here, monitor, that the wheels are slightly distorted and very, very chipped and damaged, and they need to be replaced at some point if I can. It's not a major fail, but it is something I have to monitor. So I think I've got away lightly there, because it was literally something I already knew what was wrong with it. So that's not too bad. Now, obviously, the next goal is to wait for the weather to cool down and not fry me alive, but also to now go and order some parts, because the plan is now, obviously, I've got it started. I've diagnosed brakes, repaired the brakes, got it ready for an MOT. I've done the MOT, which thankfully is passed, and now is obviously give it a full service, body and repair, and then modifications. In terms of full service, I am literally going to do a full service this time. Obviously, I've done a video of me changing oil on my C-Max, but I'm this time, I kind of know the ballpark on where I'm hitting with that, but I don't actually know fully on what I'm doing, because obviously it's a different car and stuff. You never know what might be different. It might just be me overthinking. But I am going to do, obviously, the oil change. I'm going to do coolant change. I'm going to try and do spark plugs, obviously air filters, cabin filters, stuff like that. And whatever else is required in a full service. I'm going to literally go over the whole entire checklist. I'm going to do some research over the next week or so to see what's involved in a full service, so I can kind of do it myself. Then it's going to be obviously body, interior, and modifications. So that is the goal for now. Obviously, I need to go find some wheels. I don't know what to do, don't know what to get. Obviously, it's a cheap project car. I kind of don't want to spend the earth and moon on parts and things like that. So I'm going to try and scour the internet, see what I can find there. In terms of modifications, I'm still on the fence what to do with that as well. So if you guys got any ideas or anything you might suggest that might be good ideas, please let me know down below, because I'm all ears and I'm all open to suggestions. Now, in terms of cost, well, we're still in the same sort of ballpark. Car's $250, brakes were the battery was 45, the brakes were 45, and the MOT was 40 quid. So all in, I'm like 365 quid or something like that, rough maths. So it's not too bad. The project's going well so far. Now it's just kind of making it more of a car that is going to be more me, put my stamp on it. That's the plan now. I'm going to get onto the internet and try and search around what to do and bits and bobs I can find. Again, please leave comments down below if you've got any suggestions. Thanks as always. This one's going to be a short one because I am cooking. So I'll see you in the next video in 2 weeks' time, hopefully. But yeah, thanks as always, and I'll see you then.
Let's not waste it, 'cause paradise is wherever we make it.